Bank of Ghana former governor ni fie de ko hu adaka. Adaka na ye de klasika ba krom ha no. Two colors, brown and black. Black is hard currency. I told us why. On Sunday, hard currency be hard currency in your dollar. Yeah, they are soft currency. Hard currency, no. Want to be good browning. Now, this one I am asking Openi Ernest Yedu Addison a very specific question. Bank of Ghana, that can be this Kegumuno, and then they pay with them. Mimusa, Openi. Enya bako, enya mienu, enya miensa, enya nine. Each box bako biano. A someone credit $10 million and a woman. Each box contains $10 million US. The larger one. Boxes were in shades. One friendly grade, they call it shades. They have the larger shade, the medium shade, and the smaller shade. The larger shade, you know, $10 million na wada kaba kupim. And no more than 4, I want to feel. That is $40 million. And then I pay with you. Philip Addison. Hey, sorry. Oh, I just Philip. Fetch me. Ernest. Hey, I don't know. This one, I am not maligning you. I am not defaming you. I am asking you a question. How? Hey, Dana, that can I de cressy cabagana no. I can see a woman who want to be pay with you. And you're back when you're nine. Ebrudu. Ernest, a den sa da kano. Ebe pie ufie. Say adaka ni dagu ni fie ho. Wani fie ho. Oh ya we, ewu ni fie. Empenifo kwenu mbusa, Ernest Addison na ose. Or the final documents for your office no the bafi. Pacho, Obi Musa and I started saying, Mammy say, sad document no time no your bony ding. So Uncle the Bank of Ghana, then or the final document to office. Since when? And a Bank of Ghana governor. We are where Joanna who coffee at that car, you're the classic no, and all this is our document to coffee. And now we are a legitimate question. At that car, you're the classic no, care what is a document to call. Yeah, we send us your document in the name of this Sabafi, Madame Niama Gumba, if you're saying the name. I used it to carry my things. And Niama Bear. And then it says, yes, you can obey no. Because a Niama no, and you're guaranteed, say a Niama. And so that kind of man, but I declare no. You were Emra, and then she say, one. And said national security, yeah, where you're disposing of. If you say, and she say, say, Obifa and Rabikai. Na say, Otimi Kovan to say the Etiana. Whatever a woman is deemed to be genuine. And until the time a national security for Kwachi, fake currency, make car. Say, fine, it could be fake. But then a chessa, and that can be in Shabby Bibium, Sacrum for no, and for that can be in Kosha baby, and no days Papa. Because me whom be that. 2020, 2003, 2023, they said that I'm president. Jacob for time, 2003. Come on, near woo. Come on, fear. Money. Hey. 2003. Krumha. Eh, Mabra, and Yama Koso. Krumha, away, and Yama Koso, 2003. And Yama Koso Krumha, it is a mechanic of the Hubida, Matibida, Minim Seniatia. Master, do not near what you say what you fear. What you say now? Why we could have master's degree, could have PhD? So you think you know more than I know? Me the things I know. Me na kwa kubi chebe di 104. Ewa Ghana home ni mcheno. Ma humi da. Eti mi hu ya pepe na msike. Repeat encore.
Ojai.
Eti mi busa Philip. Hey. Oh, Papa Philip, I say. Last year we talked to Michelle a Stambiko. A Omabo San Fefe Nessin Chan. And Michelle Philip. A very nice man. And I do bone bugasa. Odi asem people were caught, sir. Wouldn't they say a man position? Yes, Odi assembly in H and we investigate who saw a Kufu boy. It's not behind himself. Philip Addison may attend General Moi. At a show. And an chrono. Because you say, or a Kufu boy. See, I'm fair no son to another day's story. I got baby civil metro me. Eti a dena Ernest Addison, Nifie. Adakana ya de Crassicano. Nifie negu. Sada Catiano. Then a Philip Addison fee. Hey, Philip is also there near. Ernest, Nifie negu. No, opening Brafie, what do let's use common sense. Sir, Mubaba me fear as Captain Smart. Me fear what Tantra Hills. Me did that the Lumba the opposite. Now, Baba me fear na daka na mo de Crestica Bank of Ghana de Crestica no. Makuma ko 10 egu me fear. Then I'm Baba National Security I am. Now take National Security for your operation be our cantonment. Last month, National Security for person Meka. 2 days, we another operation. Our East Lagos and cantonment. One much abaya be babi munding. National Security for your branch be a friend Idrisu. Office now mo koye no. Office now mo koye na National Security led by Japa. So operation no mo ye no. God bless you guys. And I think Sir President Mahama should reward Japa. That guy. I say ye sheda ye bodja na ye bonabaso. Mafia one single office. Mo koye operation no no. We must say $50 million fake dollars. Fake dollars 50 million.
Bibi ni nipa o.
When you madie other dollars the boom. Bank of Ghana Dakar.
Me I shouldn't be here.
Fake dollars say fake. $50 million, mabna. And I'm fee one single office.
But that is not my.
Because my cat was at that kind of watch it. I can say they didn't finish Ketwa. Total can say $5 million. 5 pay $50 million. One must say several millions of fake Ghana cedis, several millions of fake pounds, several millions of fake yen, several $1 million, several million fake dead currencies, baby.
Ow! Ow!
Say, branch here, no. Why ambassador at large? Just say we're doing
Ojai!
One more, you know, the nene, or the Tiakimura. The main information said National Security from Ghana, former footballer, be not a bit much baby or war.
Ojai! Ojai!
Also, Metro. Also, Metro.
Ojai!
And what the same Japan led the team. One was our Sikabino Mkopi, so no. We must watch another one. I was Sapeban. Now, Ghana, for watch this. At that kind of Bank of Ghana, the Crassicano. Sa that kind of mu and a fake dollars in the book. Now, watch this. Bank of Ghana Crassica, there were serial numbers and batch numbers. For time I yes Ghana yesikano. The value is the same. Yes, you know. Oh, high crown. Yeah, say the Bakotoka International Airport. Yeah, evacuate. Yeah, is canibi no na me wo hobi some. Me hu said yeah, is canibi. Yes, obi fire, said ye fi ho. Yeah, yi na anadwo. There is no change in value. Yeah, yi na anadwo. Hey, it was a top-notch security then. That Anna Francis spoke on a national security coordinator. Opa Musano. Won't intersocra won't mente. Because Francis Poku who said, Sir Adakano, a very important to an extent, sir. Sir Adakani be copy baby, and the Assam Cassia, Bebregana. Onwa Muno as the head of the national security, no. Any Ghana Intelligence Bureau, BN9 penny for you na. Onwa Kaso kuta the pen in the paper. Making sure said the serial numbers, the batch numbers, the box numbers, more numbers become a code. Eti utrakwa no akoscan to be able to tell Sikano dodo a womb and na wo Sikano numbers na was to send away sika we a number AT 6107035 sad numbers ni nyina wo scan na ubia behu ni nyina it is sika we ye di Bank of Ghana ni baby odesa batch number we call here baby a serial number we Bank of baby ade call here Bank of Ghana ni it is 50 Ghana this Syria on the region of the majority of this. Say 100 cities way AK 6009555. Say Oshisha, say Bibi Bana Kasa Sika we no security inscriptions na a woman no mistake wo ho no Oshisha. Only baby at this batch numbers, this serial numbers no ABA for Western regional only baby war which we are recovering now. Yes, I didn't be for other parts of the country, but the baby no region now on the call into Bank of Ghana HSK. On the numbers how they call each region. Ojaye. Me na mi jira ho, me nya say yes. Me nim ya, we see o tell me nim kon concern di no. Me pesa me kan ho asama bi so bia, me kan wanim. Sa me kan so ni ho no be me say ai me na kan ara me. Then ara me. Me na mi jira ho. I was standing right there at the Kotoka International Airport. And I saw how the money was evacuated under top security to the if I say vault. Baby, I'm this guy will remove say vault. The Bank of Ghana, and they made sure say after so many years there's this guy called Sedu. He was with the Ghana Police Service, not the ASP.
Oh, I don't know.
No, national security. And the Koko Sohene was at the presidency at the castle, but he was the liaison officer. So, you guys can look for him and ask him.
Captain Smart.
He was the one making sure that those boxes were destroyed beyond recognition. That is why I kept saying that. Old man Bedi president, not Francis Poku Okrumha. I didn't know when you sue Francis Poku. Because Francis Poku, oh, yeah. And so my was so, yeah. Francis Poku onfa. It also on my own fa. And I'm saying, yen Francis Poku nyadwuma. Ye peso me ha. Na so me ha. So me ha. Na so me ha. So what I say me nchirem. Okay. Eti mabna sika na omokwache ye na adaka na ewo mu no. A genuine serial numbers and genuine batch numbers.
So me ha, na so me ha. So me ha.
Eti a day na one I did the so-called fake currency. And go no. Video na o he no.
I don't take madness.
One way this Asika way buy no. How did they get access to Bank of Ghana boxes? And people are saying that, oh, Anna, then I me see Japa, Yamboja, Onukran award, and Yamo 2 for them for saying, All this is a fake currency. Now, maybe try what you over here. Open the Bank of Ghana in the Diga. They trade the money with the Bank of Ghana. I am saying it. Eti wamuta adaka kwa no makwaje adaka papa. Wodi adaka we kwa no akwaje adaka pa. To di adaka to ekwa no akwaje adaka sika wom. Senya asam na yenka we ade we no enya ade a ye ase obi ahyeda na ode fa tokro bi na besi ha wo. Some of the containers went through Temahabo. Some of these fake currencies were printed in Ivory Coast. Some of them were printed in Nigeria. What we had then, we had access to Bank of Ghana boxes. What we had then, we had access. What was that? Or times can be a totem. I feel on better. Ya print ya boom. Chafe ni yebetete mako ne ya keka bom ne ya de aba system nim ne ya release nin kakran de aba yere so ne ya de afa Bank of Ghana wo ho na Bank of Ghana catch us say oba be shisika because fake currency aba begu Bank of Ghana ho bebre who born dog Ojai who born dog? And then we be politicians, be members of parliament, be communication officers, be constituency executives, making noise in this country. So Argentina, you are ready, governor of the bank, former governor of the Bank of Ghana, and if you people should look me in the eye and tell me, say, enti papa. Say adaka ya dia kresika ba Ghana no Bank of Ghana governor ni fie ni ekwa hu ani kwai don na ni apa madaka ni ba efenta mo werade ani kwai na wanya dia wo pe yey ani kwai don na ni apa madaka ni ba we wow o maina yetimu no Yeja o mine san o mine say. And I say obi am fa Ghana ho biom. Ba me de me fa Ghana ho. Ojai. Let me say this and say it again. Say ma bra wonim de eko. Adaka na akana sisi wono. Enye ketwa wo. Enye 20, enye 30, enye 40. Ekem containers mako 11. 40 footer container. E mako 11. Ne ya pack adaka no gum na ye ma. What is a container ba ko bi afan say 50 kura ye say. Times 11. Eti ya pese ya catch be say. NI before okrom ha. Enti wo man te won hwe wo man hu gwe wo man hu national security wo kro yim enti national security wo man hu gwe ba ko na aba no kra fa mo say wani bi NIB na bureau national bureau intelligence bureau ena ba ko no so akwa so sande ni fa say ba ko so we are no Ghana Police Service Intelligence Department omo cantonment eti wa mo so omante omo Ghana Armed Forces our intelligence unit wa mo so ante ewo obi ante o ana yetimi ade saa ne man abewura mu okrom ha ana yesika no de bia na Ghana sika na ho de ne kofom de bia na Ghana fosu de bia na yedi areho de bia na amagana otem de bia na yetete de na ye wonipa wo koka ye say a connection. Excuse my French, this is rubbish. How would you engage in a connection ever destroy on my own nipa. I mean now. Maybe to me can some be pesca. Cause me pesca. Me yeska me pay. But a bicycle so dear abba. Me mama me papa and Chremisa. Pentecost sorry and Chremisa. I know dear Debbie. I know dear Debbie. Now you say Omenya and ya kwakwe Bank of Ghana. Hwe wo kwa banks ni bia. Na one bankers ni dim koma. Directive Bank of Ghana de ma won bi o kra won kasa won te wa e won tan. But they can't say anything. They only have to shut up. They just have to shut up. Because what is it? Bank of Ghana says so. To an extent, say, Osa Akufa Dubai no baby bank bi. Your friend is saying cry. David CBG de gugu yere na. Yere te yemi kra bisika omo mekwa ko yima de make close account no.
Ora remember
New bank bi na omo kwaje 700 million euros. Sa development bank no.
What is your name?
And they almost also the 1 billion Ghana cedis. And I'm having a shame. In less than 1.5 years, almost a bank no aboka. How? Almost 700 million euros in no ashe. Okay, there be 1 billion Ghana cedis and so over here. I said and so ashe.
I'm sorry.
Bank of Ghana government to went to be a good bank no.
I'm sorry.
But Ogu Royal Bank.
I'm sorry.
Ogu Pakwes Indian Bank.
I'm sorry.
Ogu Dr. Kwabra Dofo ne bank.
I'm sorry.
Yay. Now Bank of Ghana to be shaha. Trading in fake currency.
I'm sorry.
Madam Missy Busa, where I said Busa Keke. Busa say. Addison. Then the Bank of Ghana that kind of classica. Who fear now?
I'm sorry.
What are you hearing? What the ball a begum? And now what the laundry basket? What are you hearing?